everyone, Miss Lauren here from the Fairfield Public Library. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create your very own Fizzy bath bomb. So let's get started. The first step is to measure out your citric acid. You'll need 1/8 cup, which is equivalent to 2 tablespoons. The next step is to add in your baking soda. You'll need a 1/4 cup of baking soda. If you don't have a 1/4 cup measuring cup, that's equivalent to 4 tablespoons. Next, you'll add in 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now that we have 3 of our main ingredients in our mixing bowl, you're going to want to mix it around really well so that you can't even tell that there's 3 different ingredients in your bowl. Once you feel like you've mixed the ingredients together well enough, you're going to add 1/8 cup of Epsom salt, which is equivalent to 2 tablespoons. And then you're going to mix that all together really well. Once you've mixed together the Epsom salt and the other 3 ingredients in your bowl, we're going to start adding some water. So you're going to spray 3 times over your mixture. And you're going to mix it up. And you're going to repeat that until you feel as if your mixture feels like sand. So you don't want it to be too wet. When you feel like your mixture is like sand and it's not too wet but also not too powdery, you can add in some food coloring. Feel like it is sand-like enough. So now I'm going to start packing it into my mold. You will have some leftovers, which is totally okay because we'll do something fun with that. I'm going to try to pack in as much as you can. Make sure your mold is nice and secure. You're going to want to leave your bath bomb in your mold for longer than a couple minutes. I left this one in overnight. It was a little difficult to get out of the egg, but its shape held up very nicely. So now with your extra mixture, what can you do? If you'd like, you can add some more water and try to mold it into a ball. And then I put some water into the bowl and tested out what my fizzy bath bomb would look like. So I have filled up this bowl with some water, and let's drop it in and see what happens. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on how to create your very own fizzy bath bomb. Have a nice day!